What's up, my boys? One second, guys. Professor Pencil Top, Chopstick and Joyride interface Bluetooth, smiling face blue. What? Thank you, hello. So, my boys. So, my boys, how was your days? These weekends? Hope all was good for you guys. Okay, looks like all work. Let's go, my boys. Hi, Profan. Hello, chat. Hi, Noel. Welcome, bro. Welcome. So, let's go. This so I started my week in Friday, so that's it. Your main stream freezes. Short stream doesn't freeze. Okay, thank you. Give me a couple of seconds, guys. Let's try to start again. So boys, how was your days? How was your days? Oh no. Oh, I just reboot my stream because there is some issues, I think. Okay, guys. Now all works good in the main stream. Tell me if you have any issues, guys. Some of you have any issues with stream or not? It doesn't freeze anymore. Okay, bro. That's good. Thank you. I don't know. Now probably short stream freeze. I don't know. Okay. This is always the problem because I have multi-streaming on like 2 streams on YouTube. That's why they have conflicts from time to time. I hope everything will be good. Okay. So, my boys, let's go doing. First stream is okay. Thank you very much for help. So, my boys, let's go doing things. I've already forgot what we even did here. What the hell? Oh yeah, I remember. Let's check what we have at this moment and let's do things. There is a Discord server called Roblox Client Search, and they search the first Roblox client from 2006. This is not mine, bro. This is definitely not mine. Okay, So we added the crates, and I added things for buying or not. For buying, I think for selling, yeah. Amount to sell, like we do like so. And oh wait, no, yeah, my bad. There's something bad because probably we update like every time. Probably we update only when we lost the focus here, because this is really break your game. Just fun fact. Okay, bro. Okay, that's interesting. So the first Roblox client like 2006 created. Like, I think Roblox has this information, bro. The mainstream is okay. Thank you very much for help. Thank you for checking that. Okay, so our game is broken. That's good. This we finished on that point previous time. I remember that because, and I decided like finish the stream because there's everything was broken. Okay, I think the problem because we need to we have the problem with code. This is overwhelm my CPU, and everything is broken. So let's go fix that. So we just what we do with that, I think. Let's maybe remove this thing from here, and we just put all of that here, because it should avoid all our problems if we do like here. So when we focus lost, we do all this stuff in this function. They tried recovering with hard drives, but they showed signs of failure. Owner of Roblox Bazutsky could also help because they don't keep old Roblox clients alive. Oh really? I thought they have all info about that. Yeah, as you see, everything works good. Yeah, so when we lost the focus, anyway, it's better if we see in real time that. So let's change maybe, but not completely. So what caused our problem? What caused probably our problem here? But it's very interesting. I watched the video about it almost 10 times. Okay. Can I trade and sell basement crates? It doesn't exist still, bro. I think, guys, it'll be impossible to trade and sell crates at all. So if I would make a community market, even if it'll be so, probably it'll be so, there is not will be allowed to sell crates and trade crates, because I want to make crates like unique, only you can purchase in the game. Like you can't buy it from other players, because we can avoid farming these crates. For example, I sell in my game crates which costs 200 coins, for example, and other guy who has a lot of time spending in this game, he farm, for example, 1000 crates, and he sell it with, I don't know, 20 coins for each. It'll be not fair, and it can break all the economy. So that's why all the survivors, all the monster, probably you can trade, but at the beginning it will be survivors, but crates you can only buy in the game or get after some games if you have get good results for that. So that's why so trading for crates will be forbidden, I think. I don't think trading is there yet. Yeah, trading is not here. Trading is not here. Yeah, like so. So if it's more than we have, it sets to maximum, and we can like in real time it will better like we do so, because for example if I wanna like 10, I wanna see in real time like I have I need to get 2,000 coins here. Tell me the name of the track, please. I'll send to you right now. Second. 1 second. What day is this? 75, I think. Yeah, 75. So, I'm hungry, so I'll make my own cake. Great, bro, great. What is cake will be this? This is pie? Or just a cake? Thank you, no problem, no problem. Okay. So now all works. So the problem was with our limit. I think I know what's the problem with limit. Because we just, let's put this variable in this focus, so we don't need that in this scope, I think. So chocolate cake, but the chocolate is Malteser's hot chocolate, where you put milk with it. Oh, okay. But it acts as cacao powder. Oh, I've got it. That's cool, bro. Hope it will have a good taste for you. For you. What's the best way to learn Lua scripting? I don't know, bro. What's the best way? I can share only a way how I did that, and it's really helped me to grow a lot, like pretty good for me. I think the best way when you make when you make a lot of practice, and learn everything depending on your tasks. For example, you need to make invisibility for your player. You find tutorial, for example, on YouTube. You find tutorials on the Roblox developer forum, where you can find tutorial about this. Even, bro, if you don't know what's in this code, you just I recommend you, this is a very important part, I recommend you not to copy the whole code, just to rewrite the code, because you have some mistakes, and you face with some errors, you face with some bugs, even if you're copying this code, and you start to fix your problems. So for example, oh, I forget to put the dot here, I forget to put the variable here, and so on. And so you don't need to learn everything. You see, for example, oh, I see meta tables, I need to learn that. Bro, you forget like 90% of that. This is not only about Roblox, this is about a lot of things in life where you need to learn. Like 90% of knowledge, guys, you forget definitely, like other people. And to really remember that, you need to use it immediately. Like you watch tutorials, you do that. You watch other tutorials, you do that. Of course, I recommend you definitely, bro, if you have zero experience in coding, I definitely recommend you to learn the basics, because it's good if you like a minimum understand how the scripts works, how remote events works. Of course you don't also remember everything of that, but anyway, if you face some things like remote events, you heard about that and you, for example, Google that again, and oh, this is that thing I've already watched in tutorials, so it will be easier anyway. Like you once already seen that, and it will be easier to remember that. So really, the main point of that, like a summary, I tell you, really, I recommend you find everything depending on your task, and I recommend you to start making your first game, like not a big game, like simple game, I don't know, hobby maybe with some interesting feature if you want, or just default hobby, I don't know. And for hobby, I don't know, how to make the bridge which disappears after 5 seconds, how to make some traps, anything, bro, anything. And start with simple, and then you realize, oh, this is very easy for me, and you start to find something more difficult, and just step by step, and bro, you can be a professional, I guarantee you, bro. You need just some dedication, some motivation, and just you need to have fun. This is also very important. Don't forget, guys, to have fun. If you don't have fun, it will be boring for you, and you burn out completely very fast. So you really, this is very important point, guys. If you lose your fun, you give up, guys. You give up. You lose motivation after that. You burn out about your project. So really, have fun, and it will be really like everything will be easier. Because for me, this is more than 1.5 year experience in Roblox I have. This time really flies for me, because I enjoy it all this time. I love what I do. I enjoy, because I made my own games, I made my own worlds, I made my own stories, and that's it. So this is my point about this. Do you use tutorials for the GUI? I do it too. Tutorials for GUI? Of course, like tutorials about this GUI, no, bro, because I have 2 guys who helped me with tutorials with GUIs. This is Phoenix, he's very talented. This is my subscriber, my tester, and he's old on this community, so he's really really talented guy and experienced guy, pretty. And I just saw some of his GUIs, and for example, these shadows, as you see on these borders, I saw like, oh, I can also make this effect, like 3D effect. This is cool, this is simple and cool. Agree, absolutely. Instead of just flat frame, and it will be definitely not so good. So just the main thing about GUI, not only about GUI, about everything, and really very important, guys, to have references. No one works without references. I heard a very important point, and I really like that, because this is true, guys. Some creator, like some experienced guy, maybe he's developer, I don't remember, like a couple of days ago I watched a short, and he told like every creator works with references. If you see a creator works with no references, it means that they have references already in their mind, because they have a lot of experience in that. But anyway, if you make a GUI, you can Google that. You can find some tutorials about that. Just watch some go to other games and see how other people do that. So like me, this is Phoenix. Really, I just follow like Phoenix, do some shadows, some things, and this is my own GUI, like you see on your screen. But I made it by using like Phoenix's references. I watch how his tutorials, GUIs, looks like, and just oh, why not to do the same? And this is really cool. Instead of just I'll show you guys, I'll show you what the hell. Let's see that with example, because like how it was before, it's absolutely terrifying. How it looks now, I really love how it looks now. 1 second, guys, I'll show you, because with examples definitely will be better. We see that. Thanks, no problem, bro, no problem. Hope it helps in your way. Hope it helps, bro. Bro, when I watch your streams, you always explain to people everything and give tips to many people can do. Thank you for that. No problem, bro, no problem. I'm very glad that helps some of you. I'm really happy to help. Because I know, guys, how pretty hard to sometimes to when you start, you have a lot of doubts. Oh, maybe I don't need that. Maybe I don't know how to start. I don't know what to do. I also had all all of that, and I hope it makes your way in this easier than it was for me. So hope it helps. That's why I recommend give some tips, and we just really this is interesting. Like you can talk about that with me, and we also a lot of guys, bro. A lot of guys also, like Nolja. He today was here. He told me about direct drive domain design, or I don't know, I don't remember how it's called, but like he recommended me how to structurize my game, organize my code, and a lot of guys also help me. So this is like exchanging energy. I tell some tips for you. You guys, if you have experience, tell some tips for me, and we all becoming better. We both learning something new because this is really cool, and this is one of the points why I started these streams. Where is my 1 second, guys. Have you thought about making a course on Roblox Studio, like $5? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I made add-ons for for 1 second. I made some add-ons for tower defense before, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure definitely. Like this is the thing I wanna really make. I really wanna do. Maybe this is only now. I don't know. Maybe later I decided really to make courses, or maybe just tutorials, or maybe I don't know. But for now, I definitely don't want to spend time on that, because it's pretty hard for me. Maybe because I don't have a lot of experience for now. And when I made that tutorials, I also have had less, even less experience than now. Maybe because of that. So let me show guys what we have. Let me show our GUI. This is absolutely different thing. So this is my GUI which was before. What the hell is that? And this is how it looks now. Definitely, like absolutely different. Agree, it's better. Like yeah, I have shadows here, but anyway, like they look a little bit weird, colors weird. Like this is definitely better. And like this is the second time I remade that. So sometimes, yeah, guys, to make something good, you need to spend pretty much time on that. But be careful, be careful, because perfection is never. Like you can always improve. This is always, guys. Perfection. This is not equals to great. Perfection. So usually means you just spend a lot of time on that, and you can completely burn out about that. So be careful with perfection. There are a lot of cool and really amazing things in this world, they're not perfect, guys. They're not perfect. So not chasing perfection. Like, yeah, of course, visuals like great, but I agree. I definitely can make this GUI even better if I spend like 1 month more. But guys, that's a lot of time. We will already make it a lot of time. So don't chasing perfection, guys, because you will never reach that, because it's impossible. Perfection is endless. Perfection chasing is endless. So my boys, let's go working. Okay, we need to connect all of that we made. Price calculator. Price calculator. Wait. Two different things. I forget about that. Yeah. Calculate cell. We'll have another one function which will be calculate by. What's the difference, maybe you ask? This is not calculate cell. This is not calculate cell. This is calculate calculate by. What's the difference, maybe you ask? Because calculate by, this is we just return the price, and calculate sell, for example, we sell our crates. We don't sell like by using the same price. We need to refund, like okay, let's create a variable like local refund multiplier equals to 2 and just divide by refund multiplier. I added all ingredients and I just want to lick all the unfinished chocolate because it's so delicious. Cooking the cake. Cake finished cooking, adding some final touches for beauty and more. So this is like, why so fast, bro? Why you so fast you cooking that? Like very fast. So I've been trying to do a consistent time. So I've been trying to do a consistent time spent doing development, but my work isn't productive. What do you do to more productive work? Bro, yeah, this is absolutely about me. This is absolutely about me, like the whole my life. Only like this is like only like 3 last years when I started to make, okay, not the whole, maybe 2 years, not 3 even. I started YouTube and some other stuff, trying a lot, like 3 years ago, and like maybe 2 years ago I understood how to work with that. Okay, of course, not always I do. I can follow that. So the problem, bro, usually because you don't know what you should do, and you not separate your you're not separate your big task on the small ones. I highly recommend you to using something like this thing, like Excalibur Draw. By the way, I tell about my plan always also, like there's a lot of things, and I also want to rework that because it's really hard to find something here. The plan is too big, there's a lot of branches, and it's really not helping me, maybe confuse me more. So I really recommend you, like I want to create a game, for example, right? I want to create FPS shooter, for example. I want to create FPS shooter. Just make some steps. For example, what steps I need to reach this point. For example, first step, I need to create movement system, and you you put here like what will be these mechanics. For example, I wanna make sprint. I wanna make crouch. 1 second, guys. For example, I need to make sprint, I need to make crouch. Then okay, go to next step, make some big steps and divide them for small ones. Like example, for example, in game UI, okay, for example, I put here mechanics like twins, like constraints. Okay, this is probably not the good example here. Okay, let's find. Okay, yeah, here abilities, survivors abilities. So this branch, for example, this is all abilities and description about that, and this is a branch, for example, like other stuff, like icons, like rarities for abilities, and so some other stuff I need to make. So what about, for example, your FPS shooter, right? Next after that you go, I need to make shooting. I need to make shooting system, and you separate that task. For example, I need to function which I need to script which calculates hits from bullets. I need a system like for different guns, and so on. So the main point about this, the main point about all of this, this is you just watch about your game, like probably on the whole game. I don't watch like so, bro. I know, like for example, in my current game, I know, for example, I have a lot of things I need to rework, I need to make here, but I just write it down. I have a plan, and I'm not focusing about that. For example, today I'm making filters for my inventory. I am focusing about only this. I don't think like, oh, later I need to make models, bro. No, definitely, because our brain is completely stops and starting to procrastinate and skipping all the tasks. Really, we really lazy. Our brain is very lazy when we see like big tasks. You need just to see like small on small parts of your game. You can move you can move slowly, bro. You can move slowly, that's okay. I also not always move fast, and bro, the main thing really, you don't need to worry about that. You don't need to be like the most productive guy in the world, bro. You don't need to do that, because some guys do that, bro. The main thing, if you do that, bro, that's cool. You do like little steps, that's, bro, anyway, you moving ahead, and this is the most important part. Because guys, success in life, this is not for guys who has short motivation. This is not for about guys who has short motivation. The success in a lot of things in your life, guys, this is about guys who make small steps but for a very long time. Really, you need to see this way, like your Roblox career, like anything, not only about Roblox, maybe, like a long way, because all people I also trapped in this trap. When you want to see your results immediately, we all want to do that, of course, guys. I also want to do that, but really, this ends very fast, because you don't get results, and you upset about that, and you don't want to do any things, and you like, oh, my game is not popular, oh, maybe I tired of my game, oh, maybe my game is not interesting. So consistent time spent doing development, but my work isn't productive. So, bro, I recommend you not to worry about that. You don't need to worry, bro, about that. You don't need to work like 6 hours a day. You can work 2 hours a day. You can work 1 hour a day. But bro, the guys who works like 12 hours in a day, this is absolutely not guaranteed that they completely burn out in a month because they overwhelm themselves and just burn out and abandon this like on the whole their life. And bro, like after some years, even if you make your little steps, 1 hour a day or maybe more, I don't know, maybe less, you'll be anyway ahead of them, bro. So that's it. So you don't need to worry, we all different, we all do work different, so just find your speed, bro, where you feel comfortable, and very important, you feel fun, because if you lose fun, bro, it will be boring and you definitely will be lazy to doing that. So that's why, bro, that's why you do. So let's I make some summary about that. So bro, just don't worry, you already that's cool, you already started doing something and you make little steps, but you make these steps, bro. This is the most important thing, because a lot of people like started with the big motivations, but motivation is very finishing very fast. So really don't rely on motivation, and don't think you need to do because me, for example, work 6 hours a day. When I live stream first 30 days I worked 10 hours, 8 hours, 11 hours sometimes, like streaming all this time. You don't need to do like so, you don't need to put the timers for that, you don't need, bro. You don't need to see on me and do the same, because I feel I love what I do and I really enjoy what I do, and this is fun for me. That's why this time flies for me. This is not necessary to do like so, because you can do like it slowly and you anyway can be successful. Easy, bro, this is easy. The easier you the easier you think about your life, the easier it goes, bro. This is true. I also have some bad thoughts, I also have doubts, guys, of course, this is for everyone, but I continue stepping every day, but I continue making little steps. Sometimes I'm not so productive, sometimes like now I'm just talking with you on the streams instead of making my gains, but that's okay, guys. This is my way. I wanna do like so. I do like so because I want. So you don't need you don't need to do the same like other guys, bro. You're unique, and we're all unique, and just make, bro, in your speed which really comfortable to me, bro. Because and one very important thing, when you finish that, bro, you don't need to think about that. When I finish my streams, guys, I forget about everything I do during this day, because this is very important to clear your mind. Because when you finish working, for example, making your game, if you continue thinking about that all this time after you're finishing, guys, your brain is not don't have a rest, and this is bad, really. You overwhelm yourself. You don't need, like, finish work, forget about that. That's all, really. Go play games, go walk with friends, go talk with friends, watch YouTube videos, TikToks, I don't know, guys. Just forget about that and don't think, oh, I need to make some function in my game, guys. I faced all of that. I slept when I started my first YouTube channels. I slept like 3 hours in a day, because I edited a lot of videos the whole night. So that was and what with that channels, guys? Maybe you ask. Nothing. They abandoned. I burned out about that, and that's it. So just find your speed, bro, and don't worry. Really, I'm really proud, bro. You doing something. This is the main point. So you right about that. Like, I make some work, but I'm not productive, bro. The main work here you make, bro. The main work is here you make that. because a lot of people don't make anything. They just think about like, oh, maybe I need to make some steps, and I also understand them. Because I felt the same, and I don't judge you guys if you like have a doubts about first steps. This is a lot of people have, and I also had the same. So bro, you make, this is the main word. Remember that. You already make. I published my game, created an ad yesterday, around 30 minutes later 2k people joined for about 30 minutes, while decreasing. Now it's at like 10 people. Does this mean it's not a good game? Created an ad, advertisement, right? No, bro. This doesn't mean, bro. Absolutely doesn't mean this is you have a bad game. It means, bro, like a lot of people joined and a lot of people skipped your game, but it's always will be like so, bro. It's always will be like so. So you probably don't need to rely. I think you have probably maybe Discord server or somewhere where you can get feedback maybe, and if you have 10 people online, bro, this is amazing result. It's not zero, bro. This is the main point about that. And if some people play that, bro, that's already cool. Like 2k people, bro, of course this is like advertisement, like people joined. A lot of them don't like, for example, this type of games at all, and that's okay, bro. That's okay. This is life. Not everyone will like you, will like your game. This is okay. So you need to focus on these 10 people, bro, I think, and maybe ask them feedback, like, oh guys, what's like the best part you like in this game, maybe what you want to improve. Maybe you have some ideas, like if you have Discord server, it will be good if they have feedback about your game, and focus, bro, on this small amount of people who is here, and then you increase this size back to 2k people if you do everything right about feedback about your players, from your players, and you need to grow from small, and then you have 2k people who really enjoyed in your game, bro, who really interested about what you do. So focus not like about 2k people who joined and leave. Focus on people who play now, bro. You need to motivate them play your game. This is first, I think. And you need to motivate them to help you develop your game, create maybe some their ideas, and this is like really. So definitely we all like if we suggest some ideas, and then you see that in the game, like, oh, they created my idea, and this game is more interesting even for me, and you create the strong audience, bro. This is more important than fast popularity. This is my point about this is what about I talk about my channel on YouTube. The same thing, absolutely. Like some guys join, like, oh bro, you have less than 1000. This is small amount of people, like less than 1000 subscribers. Oh bro, you have like eight people online on your live stream. Bro, when I started, there's sometimes I had 0 viewers, and like sometimes there will be like 30 viewers at once. Sometimes I don't know what was that, or bots attacks or not, like 200 sometimes viewers was. But guys, I am focused on the guys who join here like a lot of times, and we make community, friendly community, where we help each other, where we talk with each other, and I listen some your ideas, we exchange our experience and so on. So I am not focused like, oh, some guys join, oh, create a skip the toilet in your game, bro. Like a lot of guys joined, like, so what the hell? And really, so guys need to focus on your on your main audience who really interested about your work. So you build your strong community, you talk with your subscribers, viewers, players who really enjoyed about you, your games, and new guys also will appear, bro. Not so fast, of course, not so fast, but as longer you do that, as faster it will be. So think about this, bro. You don't need to worry about that. 10, this is great result, bro. For me, if I will have in my game 10, bro, this means that I need to grow this more. I need to grow it every day. Listen to people, take feedback, listen what players like, what players dislike, make some ideas, remove some content maybe. And really, you grow from 10, bro. I believe if you do all of that, I'm not believe, I know, bro. If you do all of that, you grow from 10 players to 2000 back, but these 2000 will be true, bro. This is 2000 will be true people who really interested about your game, who really interested about your studio, about your like a developer, and they'll be interested maybe, oh, this guy, this is that cool guy created a new game. I need to watch his new game because I played his game, that was cool, and I wanna see his new projects. And like reputation, you make a good reputation about that. Oh, this guy listened my ideas and he created that in his game. I wanna check his new game, maybe that's also probably cool. And maybe I help him with this. Maybe I help him with his new project and we create one more masterpiece. So that's why, bro. So don't worry, bro, don't worry. That's good, bro. Anyway, this is just experience. Don't forget about that. This is good experience for you, and this is good start point where you can start. Yes, I've been trying to avoid burning out by only working 130 hours, but some people say to me, why are you talking so long on the game? Taking so long on the game, like for a very long time to develop you, bro. Bro, always will be people who don't like what you do, bro. Always, not only in Roblox, in any things. Oh, you make YouTube videos, why you don't edit it like so? You make a Roblox game, why you don't add a skibidi toilet here? Why you don't add I don't know, Bombardiro Crocodilo in your game? What the hell, bro? The other guy join and tell you, this is amazing game, I like everything here, I like your videos, guys. Always will be so like, you don't need to listen a lot of people, really. You need to listen the people you need to listen. Okay, you need to listen yourself first. This is more important. This is more important because really a lot of people know how to better for you, but how it will better for you knows only you. This is really true, guys. This is really true, bro. If it's comfortable to you to work like 130 hours a day, you work like so, bro. Really, always. Like other guys, for example, you work 8 hours a day. He tell you, oh, bro, why you work like 8 hours a day? Bro, I worked 1 hour a day and I created masterpiece. A lot of players play my game. What the hell? You need really so much time to spend that, bro. So that's always will be people which with different opinions and very important opinions about your life. So just skip that. You don't need to listen that. Really, just do what's comfortable to you and forget about that. Keep up the good work. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. What type of game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. There's a pinned message in the chat, Vincent. Here is a 4-minute video about this game. If you want, you can watch this video about this game. Okay, guys, let's go here. So we need to connect all of that together. Let's see. I will go watch the video and come back. Okay, bro, okay. So calculate sell. Okay, let's see. Crates. This costs, so we need to refund for each 100 only. Yes, great. Like for, okay, nice. So about sell. Okay, let's make I think we don't need it at all. We don't need it at all. Let's go, because we set the maximum of that, like by using this one. Yeah, like so. We don't need to put our. Oh no, let's put the limit anyway. Let's put the limit, maybe. To number text box text more than limit equals limit. Wait. Okay, what's, maybe we don't need limits at all. What the hell? Like, why we can't sell 1 million? Why not? What's the problem? There is like a couple of requests we need only here, and that's won't be a problem, I think. Okay. Textbox limiter for sell more. Okay, textbox limiter. Sell. Okay, textbox limiter sell will be this one. Like this, and this textbox limiter buy. Buy. And just here so like this one. So let's make text box pop up will delete that. Okay, let's place it here, I think. And we calculate all of that stuff here, like so. Like this. And here, by, calculate by, yeah, like so. Let's go. What would you do when you have no big project and you're looking to practice? That's never I felt like so, bro. This is my second game. I started after first game. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Probably I anyway would make like some projects. What would you do? Oh, would you do? Okay, when you have no big project and you're looking for to practice. Bro, anyway, I think I'll make some projects, like maybe they will be simple, like, I don't know, like hobby, maybe one day I'll make, I don't know, bro. This is a hard question because now I have some ideas, and I have some plan, like make something simple and fun with you guys on live streams after this stream series later, after this game, I mean, the whole. And really, like, I don't know, I think I anyway develop something when I have that. So have you made decent progress since the video? So I reworked like the whole my code, because there is a lot of problems since the video was, like, of course, a lot of bugs I fixed, and reworked the whole GUI in lobby, and yes, a lot of things, but this a lot of things usually this is main things about GUI in lobby. And next steps, I rework all the abilities because I don't like how they work slowly now. Like a lot of code. So since the video, it looks like I rewrite the whole my inside code. So yeah. Okay, let's see what we have. Create. I wanna sell. Okay, one. If I wanna buy, it should cost 200. Create. I wanna buy. Oh wait. No, wait. Buy more. Buy more. Calculate buy, right? What's the problem with money? I don't know. Calculate buy. Calculate sell. Calculate buy. Should be okay. Oh wait, Textbox Limiter buy. What the hell? Of course, yeah, that's the problem. Now should be right. So now when we buy more. Yeah, great, that's work. So let's connect these buttons with our data store and other stuff. Let's connect the buttons. Create a calculator. Let's close that. I don't like how it's organized. Let's make it better. And do you need a good math to learn Lua codes? Absolutely not, bro. Absolutely not. If this is a question. Absolutely not, bro. Buy first and sell second. Yeah, like so. I think two methods, we separate that. No, bro. Absolutely, I disagree with that point. you definitely don't need some math at all, maybe. Yeah, of course, some formulas you sometimes need, like chances for creates, for example, if you have some random things, random number generator, you'll need that. But like it's all, definitely not, definitely not. You need to just like logical thinking develop, I think, the main part of this. Because there's a couple of ways how you can organize your things. No, guys, no, I don't like if we do like so. Let's make why we need to create two things. Let's just make it like so. Amount, what is amount? Oh wait, amount, we remove that. Oh no, we can't do it like so. Okay. Okay, let's leave it like so for now. Later we can change that in time. Math could help you figure out some stuff with coding, but it's not needed. Just can make things easier. Yeah, like agree, bro. Like in certain cases you need that, definitely, but not everywhere. Definitely not everywhere. Like math, this is like additional things I would tell. Buy more buttons. Buy more buttons. Model window dot. Let's go to see our GUI. Where is we store that? In viewer, I think. In viewer, I hope. Create model window. Buy more buttons. Should I do trendy games like brain rot? Bro, this is hard question because the only person who who can answer about this is only you, bro. If you feel this is you wanna do that, bro, just do that. Because for example, I don't want to do that. I'm not doing that, and I'm not focusing on money. So if you feel you wanna do that, why not to do that, bro? I don't feel like I want to do that. So that's why I just make it not make that. Okay, buy more buttons. Buy activated function. No, it's very bad, bro. What the hell? Why it's very bad, bro? Why it's very bad? I don't understand, guys. Why it's very bad? If you want, guys, don't listen anyone. If you feel I wanna make the game brain rot games, just make that. Don't ask anyone about that. But if you're thinking about this, like I don't know, like maybe because everyone will love my games, I don't think this is the best way to do that. So if you really want to do that, just do that. This is my point. This is my point, this is my opinion. You can disagree with that, and that's okay, guys, if you disagree with that. It's really one person who can answer this question, bro. This is yourself. This is you only. So If you wanna make a quick buck, but don't try to claim to be stunt autish type of developer. I don't judge anyone, I don't mind, guys, brain rot games at all. Guys, if I don't like the game, I just not to play this game. This is my point. Like, no one force you to play these games, and if people want to play this game, they can do that. So why not? If these games are popular, like player like that. So you don't, no one force you really to play these games if you dislike that. No one force you to develop this game, guys. What the hell? Yahoo! Yahoo! Hello, hello, bro. Welcome. Decoding. Okay, let's connect our buttons. Buy. We just okay. Cancel. Cancel. We need to close our window just. Pop up visible. Pop up visible. Buy more. Okay, let's create, I think, variable for that. Pop up visible. False. Everywhere. Like this, I think. Let's try that. Do you do workouts like real gym? Do, bro, do, definitely. Guys, if you sit down for a very long time, like develop your game, play the games, of course I completely would break my body, or how it's called. Of course, bro, of course. I do workout like already, I don't know, 2 years maybe. 3 times a week, and because it's very important, guys. This is for health. Like, but I'm not going to do gym. I have some inventory. I have some inventory at home, so I do it here. I don't need to go somewhere. Buy more. What the hell? And I highly recommend you also, if you spend a lot of time on sitting on computer, definitely you need to do workout, definitely, because this is not about and also this is also, guys, help you to develop your discipline, definitely. Okay, pop up visible. Buy more buttons. Pop up self GUI. Grades. Model window. Buy more. Right? Should be disappear. Oh, my boys, of course. What the hell? I forget to initialize that, and I want to do that. Okay, where we can initialize that? I think we can do it even here, like self init pop-up buttons. Why not? Yeah, now should work everything. Buy more. Let's go, my boys. Let's go. Buy more. Buy. Okay. So let's connect all of that. So we initialize that buttons. Have you thought on psychology like dopamine hits and addictive gameplay? Bro, yes. This is what about my some YouTube channels I made. My previous, I had like 6 or 7 YouTube channels already, like during these 3 years, and I tried different topics here, and yeah, I made some like challenges for me, like about dopamine, about some habits, about quit eating sugar, like a lot of stuff I tried. like content about self-development I tried, and I tried, I don't know how it's called in English, right? Like dopamine hunger, I think, or something like so. Yeah, like you quit for a week, for example, or okay, not for a week. Yeah, for a week I tried. You don't use TikToks, you don't use like YouTube videos, you don't play games, you don't watch videos on YouTube, and some things like that. And it works. It definitely works. But I realized like this is pretty hard to do that, definitely, and really you lazy to do that. This is pretty hard. And I think after trying all of that, I realized like the best way to just to keep the balance. Just to keep the balance. If you find this balance, you don't need you don't need to make some how it's called, some challenges for you from time to time, like dopamine hunger, or how it's called, right? Like for a while. Yeah, but it's true, it definitely works. I felt that like when you play a lot of games and you don't do nothing, and you don't make steps ahead to your aim, you procrastinate a lot, you lazy. I felt all of that feelings, and I felt really like addiction about like dopamine, like addiction about social medias, like videos with cats, and so some things like so. But yeah, that's true, because this is how our body works, and workout really a lot of helps to normalize all your how it calls, like dopamines levels, and because always when you do something difficult and make a stress for your body, stress, not bad stress when you are scary about your life, stress not when you fight with someone or something like so, like positive stress, like workout, like I don't know, some other things, I don't know, some healthy things which really make a good stress for your body. This is definitely gives you also dopamine, maybe not at the beginning, of course, it takes a lot of time always to start, but when you feel that, so it's really cool. And I feel like I get dopamine not from shorts video or TikToks video, and I get dopamine because I did workout. This is absolutely different feeling, and you feel like you on the peak, and you in prime. So this is cool. But to reach this point, pretty hard to start feeling that. Like you need a lot of, like, couple of months. This is minimum to work, and you lose your motivation, for example, about workout and so on, because a lot of people, as I said today, want to see immediately results, and that's really always like so. We all want to see immediately, like instant results. Like I released the video, I wanna get 1 million views, I wanna get 1 million subscribers, but it's impossible, almost impossible. Very, very rarely it works like so. Usually people spend like 10 years, 5 years, a lot of years to reach this point, and you need to develop yourself in a lot of directions to reach this point, because this is not so easy as some people think, like, oh, I start to make videos and I'll be popular. No, bro, this is not how it works. So that's it. What's the next chapter of your life after development? You want to do that for your entire life, right? Bro, this is a pretty hard question, because my life is really so unpredictable, and I don't know, bro, I don't know. This is all depends on situation, bro, because now circumstances around me not so good. Like, there's a war in my country, and I live in the basement. I don't know, bro, I don't know. This is pretty hard question. I think I want to be after the Roblox. When I be a professional here, I make some good games here. I wanna make games in Steam, definitely. This is like next step. But I think like so right now. But really, life is so unpredictable. A lot of things I thought, they absolutely now different. Like, it's pretty hard to predict all of that. Yeah, I have plans to make games in Steam. And that's it. You're from Ukraine? Yes, bro. I'm from Ukraine. So I don't know. I need to just overcome this period in my life and just not to lose my mind. But I'm not lose my mind. I make myself stronger during these circumstances. And anyway, guys, any situation where you live, any situation, not just because, guys, this is all gives you experience, and usually hard times make you stronger, and it's definitely about me. So that's it. But I think I wanna I wanna release my Steam games later, when I really make a lot of things here, and I really tired about Roblox. One day it definitely will be here. I don't know, bro, I don't know. This is pretty hard question. Maybe I don't know, I'll be a barber or someone else, because before I started because when I started making YouTube videos, I couldn't even imagine that one day I'll be a developer, programmer, coder. Like, I always thought like, oh, programming, this is not about me. This is coding, programming, development, this is not about me. But then I tried and I'm here. What the hell? So really, I can't predict what the hell is here. What religion are you in? I don't believe in God, bro. I don't believe in God, and really, I don't judge the people, like, if they believe. This is absolutely their right, but for me, I always rely on myself. I always, like, all my like 99% of situations where this is depends on me. This is results of my decisions. This is like what I have now. For example, this YouTube channel, this game. This is all results. Of my dedication and my work. I don't believe. I believe only in myself. This is about that. So I can't talk about religion, guys, because I don't feel that I can believe in something or someone. That's it. That's my point. But this is absolutely your right, guys. This is absolutely your right to believe. Maybe because because maybe for some of you or some other people, religion helps to overcome some difficulties. For me, that's not. For me, it helps to overcome. Overcome all the difficulties I can overcome all the difficulties better when I believe only in myself. That's my point, guys. So you have no religion? Yes, bro. If you can tell like so, yes, probably yes. But I'm not. I know a lot of people who, oh, you believe in God, bro. You don't need to do that because he doesn't exist or something, guys. No, I don't care about that. If you wanna believe in God or something else, someone else, this is absolutely your right. Because this is not about. This helps a lot of people in the world to overcome their difficulties in their life. It really helps. So this is absolutely their right and your right. So that's it. But I rely on myself and believe in my own power. Maybe closer to me, this is some Asian religions. Maybe I don't remember how it's called, and they have some religions which like telling like you're the main god in your life. I don't remember how they call this religion, and maybe this is more closer to me, like so. So that's it. Have you hit rock bottom in this industry? I don't know what hit rock bottom. What is that? Reaching the lowest possible point in one's life involving significant crisis or loss. Have you hit the rock bottom in this industry? Like in Roblox, bro? I don't pretty understand your question, right? Like am I had bad times in Roblox development, or what do you mean? They let you choose your own religion. Guys, I'm adult. So I can do things what I want. So if one day I decided to choose my own religion, I do that, guys. I do that if I want, because I'm not a kid, and for example, my parents can't do that, or maybe some other people can do that instead of me. This is absolutely my right about religion, about other things in my life. Albert, chill, let him be as he is. So what's the problem, bro? He's just I don't see any bad things like Albert talk. So all right. But always, really, this is pretty really subject like religion. This is subject about arguing. A lot of people arguing about that, and really, so pretty hard to talk about this topic, guys. So because maybe some people is so religious, maybe they don't like my point. That's okay. This is absolutely their right or your right. You just asking, I share my opinion about that. Like if you make a game in 1 year and nobody playing it, or everyone thinks you're not doing it right, or you're lost on a code with 1 king lines, I think about quitting. So bro, no, you see like all this way, like so I see it all this way, like different, like even my games. For example, I make a game 1 year, for example, and after that there's 0 players after that, bro. The main point about this is this is very important part. This is all experience. Like I tried a lot of things in my life, and always, yeah, sometimes I thought always also like, so, oh, why I did like this, why I making why I learning editing videos, why I learning Blender, why I doing that thing, other thing, always will be like so. But then one days I realized like this all combined together to really make me like now I can be a full stack developer. This is good at the same time and bad at the same time, because I'm not focusing on one task, and it's impossible, pretty impossible to be a professional in all areas. But I wanna make my strongest part coding, definitely coding, I think, right now at least. But for example, GUI always takes a lot of time, and I'm not a professional here, and definitely. So I see about all this process like this is experience, bro. This is experience anyway, and I recommend if it's possible to you to if you think about this about your games, about your progress, about your life, like my main point, guys, this is my main aim. This is not to get a lot of players. My main aim, this is create stream series, this stream series about this way, and and motivate a lot of you guys to start making your games, to because really a lot of, as I have already told a lot of times, a lot of people have a lot of doubts about making first steps. This is true. I'm already a winner, guys. I'm already a winner because some of you tell me like, oh bro, I watched your live streams and I decided to start or just continue making my games because you motivated during your live streams. Guys, this is, I already win in this. I already, because this is one of the main point about this. And even if my game won't be successful, there will be 0 players, guys, I boost my skills like 5,000% and 5,000%. And also, why I boost that skills, guys, because a lot of you suggest me, bro, have you ever read about this topic, bro? Why you don't need, don't use, why you don't use, I don't know, type, this is, okay, never mind. Like, why you don't use this feature in Roblox? Why you don't use this feature in coding, and so on. So you help me, I help you, guys. I'm already winner because this is absolutely incredible boost about my career. Like in 3 months, guys, in 3 months I learned more than I learned in previous 1.5 years. What the hell, guys? I've already win in this. I already win in this. And I already win when I really read about, oh bro, you motivated me to continue. You motivated me to learn Roblox scripting. Guys, I'm really happy and I'm really proud of all of you because you make you change this world, guys. You change this world. You try, you create content, you create your games. I'm really proud of you guys because that's cool. That's cool. You try to do something new, and some of you guys definitely in the future make masterpieces. Maybe you'll be out of Roblox, maybe you create successful games in Steam. I don't know, guys. As I told before, life unpredictable, we all don't know about that. But guys, this is so cool when in the future maybe I see some of you guys and I see some of my subscribers here make a very cool game in Steam, very viral game, absolutely masterpiece. And guys, it's so cool to feel that like we started here these days. Absolutely amazing. So that's that's it. So guys, I don't care about that. I have already win in this I already win along this stream series. Yeah, I'm 27. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm a go of no. Good luck, bro. I'm not Russian, bro. I'm Ukrainian, but on the streams I'm talking only in English because my I'm not Russian, bro. I'm Ukrainian, but here I'm talking only English because my main audience English speakers, and it will be not good if I speak different languages here. So if you wanna talk, welcome, bro. But we talk only English here, not any languages. Eating breakfast and lunch. Okay, bro. Have a good taste. Based on my calculation, that means you were 18 when you joined Roblox. Yes, bro, you're right. 18 probably. This is not my first account, by the way. I wanna see my first account, but I can't show this account for you because this is my secret account. Yeah, I have my first. This is not my first account. Yeah, I wanna see that. 1 second. Bacon account. Maybe, bro, maybe. No, 2013. So when I was 15, bro, my first account was created. Yeah, this is my first account. So 2013. So it's already how much years I'm here? What the hell? 12 years. What the hell? So 12 years ago I joined Roblox first time. What the hell? Yeah, 12 years ago. What the hell? That's very old account. Yes, bro, yeah. That account just for testing some things. So I can't show it to you. I joined Roblox in 2018. Very late. 1 second. Okay, let's connect that. When we buy, we need to buy, just buy. Buy button. Which means I joined 7 years ago. Oh, that's a lot, bro. That's a lot anyway. Okay, buy crate. I think we create maybe one more thing here. Okay, let's go to local remotes. So let's go in services, inventory system, present, oh not infrastructure layer, local remotes, buy crate amount. Yeah, we have here Rate amount. Probably we need to save this value. Wait, bro, you already finished school, right? Bro, are you kidding? I already finished university like 5 years ago, bro. I graduated from university. Even. Yes, bro. Definitely I finished school. Okay, let's create self amount. Equals amount. I thought you were younger than 27. No, bro, I'm 27. So self-selected item, and here, so we buy crate. Let's try crate. Oh yeah, we need to buy that. I need to connect that. Buy more. Six, for example. How much I bought? Only one. That's interesting. Because current amount, maybe. Oh wait, self current amount. We need equals to 0. Okay, to 0, I think. Like 5. No, wait. I don't know if I told you this, but instead of getting a new laptop, I will build a PC with my bro. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. This is definitely cheaper. This is definitely cheaper and allows you to have a better computer and spend less money on that, or buy better components, or how it's called, details. Yeah, I also have PC. Before I had laptops, but laptops, they more expensive usually anyway. They usually more expensive. Self current amount. Self current amount. So we just not update the data here. That's the problem, I think. So we initialize that with this data and it doesn't change at all. That's the problem. How we can change that? Okay, so we press. Maybe we need to create amount variable. Yeah, looks like so. So we need to just update the data somehow. We remove this thing. Let's create some method, I think. Function create sphere get rates node get Textbox amount. Wait, no, that was not actually. I meant my bro found a good PC, so we won't have to build a PC. 300 euros, which means okay, in your country currency. I was after my. It was after my bro told me we would build a PC. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. If it's so, that's cool. Anyway, really, like usually, PC is cheaper at the same price. Like for the same price, you can get the better PC compared to laptops, because laptops is about mobility, or how it's called. So we need to get return buy more, sell more. Buy more, just sell more. Oh, no. Textbox, text. Get Textbox amount. Self. Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty cool because it's been almost 7-8 years since I got a good PC. Great, bro. Great. Congratulations. I really. Because I also had the same, like I had laptops and they was so bad. This is, of course, so this is my first PC, which really powerful to play like a lot of games. Of course, this is not the best PC, like graphics card is not too powerful, but anyway, this is I can play a lot of games here, almost everything, but maybe not on the maximum quality. But before, my laptop was absolutely terrible, and really I can't even play any games, even on low settings. Like so. What graphics you have? I have GTX 1050 Ti, 4 gigabytes. Oh, let's go. Nice. Let's go. So let's reset our data. I wanna see if all right with money, because I'm interested. let's try. Okay, 1000, so we need like 3, okay. Like 5, for example. Like 2000 we should have here. No, wait. Money is not calculating properly. Remote event. Okay, go to create system. Application. Oh wait, by create we need inventory system, I think. Or how it's called. Oh yeah, I know that. I think it's a weak graphics card. Yes, this is, I think I can tell you about these graphics cards like so. This is minimum graphics card with which you can play like 70% of the games, I think. Yeah, with some games you don't have like 60 FPS, definitely, even at the low settings, but like not a lot of issues I have with that. So yeah, so a lot of games I can play, so this is like a minimum maybe graphics card with which you can play a lot of games. Do you know your PC model brand and your graphics card brand? I built my PC on my own. I just buy components for my PC, and I built it on my own by using YouTube guide. By the way, this is not hard. This is really easy, because all details, really, I was really surprised about this. All details created like you can't place anything. Almost everything like wrongly. So for example, you can't connect some things because they're not symmetric, or how it's called, symmetric probably. So for example, one part bigger than other part, or something like so. If you try to rotate it wrongly way, you can't place, for example, your graphics card, because it's not it's impossible to place wrongly, absolutely impossible. So so people decided to make like so. And about my brand, 1 second, I'm also interested. About brands, let's check. Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia GTX 1050 Ti and processor Ryzen 5 3060, something like so. CPU really good. Like the weakest point in my PC now, this is graphics card. So CPU I have not bad, definitely. So the problem usually in games with my graphics card. So that's why. Have second monitor which I can use it as the main monitor. Oh, that's cool, bro. Yeah, I also it'll be also very good for me if I would have a couple of monitors, because when you're streaming something, sometimes it'll be better if I see chat, for example, on my second monitor instead of these solutions on my screen. my main screen. Okay, what's the problem with local remotes? Buy more. Okay, I wanna see. Buy more. Rates buy more. Okay. I don't understand why. Okay, let's check. Maybe I'm not connecting at all buying system. Yeah, I just not changed the money for everything. That's cool. Okay, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Buy crate. Let's go on local remotes. Also, my laptop second monitor brand is HP and Acer. My second monitor is very old, released in 2008-9, but bro, it's pretty good. Cool, bro. Cool, bro. Yeah, it's not sturdy. It's 75 Hz. Good quality. Great, bro. 70. I even my newest monitor, like here's like 5 years. This monitor. He has 60 Hz. Okay, remote events by crate. Infrastructure. Okay, we need by crate. Sell survivor by crate. Oh, we have here. Amount, inventory by crate. Oh, it's here. Inventory. Let's go here by crate. Wait. Inventory service. Where it goes? By crate. Inventory service. Service, open crate. Oh, here. So what's that? What the hell? Data controller test buy. That is cool, bro. That's really cool, bro. That's cool. That it's have a good quality for you. Okay, data controller. Let's go to self data controller. What is data controller? Data controller dot new. What is data controller? Infrastructure data controller. Okay, no problem. Let's go here. Data controller. And what we do here? Test buy. Oh yeah, that's the problem. I found that. Sell survivor. Okay, just buy crate. By crate. Test buy crate will be instead of test buy. For you it's so cool too. Yeah, bro, thank you. It's not my monitor is a little curved. It's not expensive. But pretty good for me, at least for now. So yeah, so I'm not just I need just to check. Yeah, I need just to check if I have enough money for that. Update currency just. Update currency by crate. Self. Update currency. Final cost. Price. Multiplied by amount. then return local sell buy. If not buy, then return buy. And return buy. What is buy? Update currency and return one. Okay. I think like so. Let's try now, and let's go to see how it works. So let's buy 5. This is 1000. Oh, wait. Like we added here. Update currency, we need like minus final cost, because this is like additional we make. Okay, let's go here, buy 5. Oh yeah, let's go buy 1 only. Yeah, nice. Like and let's change a little bit our calculator for our crates. Crate price calculator. When we calculate buy, we need to do different things. Instead of data crate amount, we do like so. Okay, so here is crate price amount, but also if, okay, we need to get data currency balance. If balance less than price, then if balance more than price. For example, let's make some examples with that. If balance more than price, for example, we have 800 coins on balance. Okay, no, 900, but we have price like 1000. So, okay, so 100 coins we need to separate. Let's maybe balance. Okay, price equals to, okay, no, amount, I think amount equals to balance divided by price, I think, price, and math floor, I think, math floor, balance divided by price. and like this, I think, and recalculate that again, price and amount. Let's try that. Let's try. Maybe some errors, I don't know. Buy more, for example, I wanna buy this. So what's the problem? Why we return 0? Math floor might balance if balance less than price. Print balance price. Let's print these two values. Balance price, create price, multiply by amount. Maybe price divide balance. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it will be right. Why 9? What the hell? I wanna print these two values. What the hell? Print. Okay, let's go. Okay, what if we do without this one? Price amount. Oh no. Everything is broken. No. Okay. Again. Oh no, broken. Yeah, bro. Yeah. There's endless loop. Probably. Oh no, table is broken. Yes, bro, yes. I think it's over with this. Yeah. Okay, let's go again. Oh, by the way, I forget about bots. 1 second. what works, Albert, if you need that. Hi sir, welcome, welcome. So it will be when we're over about that. So what's the problem? What's the problem? Let's think about this. What's the main problem about that? So let's imagine like we have balance 1000, right? Balance equals to 1000. Price equals to 1100. If we divide that like so, price divided by balance, price divided by balance. What did it give to us? What the hell? No, I think I know, guys. I think I know. Price. No. Price equals to. Price should be equal to balance minus price. Oh no, price minus balance, because price more. Price minus balance and amount already. So how it will be? Oh yeah, I know, guys. I know how we do that. And amount already, yeah. Amount. Just price divide by create price. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the problem. Let's try to calculate it again. For example, we have price more than we have coins on the balance, right? We from the price we make minus 1000. No, that's wrong. We need to price minus these both, like so, I think. Let's try again. So we make minus here, and then we go to price 1100 minus 100, 1000, and then amount price, so 1000 divide by 200, so 5. Great, should work, by the way. Let's try now. Oh no, why it's broken? What the hell again? Okay. What the hell? I don't know why it's broken always. What the hell? Here's looks like a loop, or what the hell is that? So the problem starts with when we join this area, I think, right? Right. task wait maybe. Let's try this one. I don't know what the hell. Yeah, that's work now. And what the hell? Well, we can buy that. What the hell? Let's see how it's put. Not enough currency. What? 8,000 what? I don't have so much. Okay, let's buy 8314168, right? Right. Why this number is going here? So big number. My amount is so big, I know. Yeah, again, we have some problems with this one. Yeah, let's think again. Let's think again. Yeah, let's start step. Okay, balance. For example, I don't know, 1,000 price equals to 20,000 amount equals to 100. So we exaggerate this a lot of times. So balance less than price, right? We go here, and then price equals to price there's a problem here, I think. Maybe new price. Local, let's try, maybe it's just calculate correctly. New price, new amount, like so maybe. Let's go. Let's go. What the hell? What the hell is that? No, it doesn't work. New price, new amount. What the hell? Why? I can't buy that. So it goes here. New price. New amount. Okay, let's print better these values. I want to see. Create amount. Great, we don't need amount, I think. Amount. Great price amount, right? Buy more. Okay, so here we started faced with problems. What is new price? I'm very interested. What is the new price in these cases? But it's not equal, definitely. It's not equal. So price exaggerate that. For example, let's calculate it again. We need to just follow when you have such problems. We need just to follow all the steps and see what's the problem with that. Let's open calculator again. So we have balance among this. New price equals to price 2000 minus balance 1000 and minus price again 1000. With plus 1000, like so. New amount, price. Oh wait, of course. Oh wait, yeah, I forget about that. We get to remove these things. Oh yeah, endless loop here. That's why the game is broken always. Okay, let's make different things. I don't understand why it returns like so. So price. balance. Maybe let's create a local difference. Price minus balance, right? Interesting. Endless loop here. That's why our game broken. And it shouldn't be like so. This is definitely a bug. Task weight we don't need to put here. So that's why it starts to call it again and again. Why it starts to call it again and again? So we sell it's a lot of events maybe. A Textbox amount. Wait, it changed? Wait, what the hell? Here I wanna see what's broken here. So where we change our prices? I'm interesting. What the hell is that? What the hell? We need to do it here only. What the hell? So when we exaggerate that. Oh wait, Textbox Limiter not sell here. Buy. About buying here. Okay, buy more. Oh yeah, okay. That's right. Okay. What we have more? Not focus lost. Let's see, maybe some events we have. Child added, changed. What is changed? 30 minutes property. Oh no. This is what we made before. Maybe it ended. What about this, by the way? Oh, this is what we need. This is definitely what we need. Or in the beginning, maybe. Too fast, I think. Too fast. Maybe 1 second, I don't know, let's try. Let's try. That's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot. And it's not the best way how to do. Okay, let's see maybe some other events we have. It began, changed, focus lost, focused. Selection lost. Focusing on joy. No. Gamepad. This is gamepad only. Touch long press. Ancestry changed. Oh, what the hell? This is interesting. Not about this task, of course, but like fires when instance parent property of the object or one of its ancestors is changed. What the hell? Amazing thing. Sometimes probably I need that. Attribute changed. Okay, selection. Probably we don't have. Solid properties changed. Styles. Return pressed from on screen keyboard. What the hell? Okay. Probably we need anyway use this one, but make something like the bounce. Okay, why we have a loop? If amount not equals to. Okay, wait, no, we can't do that. Maybe if this one, if this one not equals to amount, we do this thing. Anyway, this is the problem with no GUI. This is the problem deeper, I'm sure. Yeah, like a loop here, as you see. As you see, there is a loop. we need to understand why it appears, because probably we changed the signal. Yes, we changed the signal. So we call this local remote self-selected item buy more. We call this like we should buy. Wait, what the hell? Why I'm looking here? I don't need to look here. I need to look here, definitely. Yeah, Textbox Limiter buy. So we go here. We make 1 trillion cases. Amount to number 1 trillion, for example. If okay, money amount. Maybe new amount. Maybe like so. Okay, wait. So what we did here? Interesting. Let's see the parameters we have here. Let's see the parameters. Okay, let's first return our value and see what's the problem. Buy more. It's always okay, like so. 5. It returns 5. Because we have fixed parameter. So our formula should work, and if we do like so, price, amount, price. What about this? It returns the same. If so, all right with this formula. Yeah, like so. So the formula is good. The problem with our data, which we get here, and here's we have a loop. So let's just print all the data. Print balance, amount, price. I think I know what's the problem with that. I think I know. Oh, what the hell again? Oh, I removed task weight probably, right? Yes, I removed that. Okay, again, broken. No problem. This happens, that's okay. Yeah, I removed task weight, like so. So let's see. Endless loop shouldn't be like so. So let's see. Balance, this one, amount, this one, and price, this one. Let's calculate. Maybe something, I think something wrong with our, or not. Oh, maybe all right. So we have this number of items we need to get, right? Right. Wait, no. Like this, multiply by 200. Yeah, that's right. And next step, we have balance like so. So we go here, if balance less than price, that's true, then price equal price minus balance. Should be like so, minus this one. So this is how much we need more, and minus this one. Yeah, that's true. No, we need to do something else with that. We need to divide this amount on crates. And maybe all of that we need to divide by rate price. This is amount, I think. And price maybe like so. Math lore. Okay, even with no endless loop, what the hell, finally. Yeah, I wrongly calculate the formulas, I think. So, if we buy all of that, where is my crates? Why it's not updated? What the hell, okay. Okay. I think I know what's the problem, because there's all data here. Okay. What is buy more? Print buy more. What's here? I wanna see. And also, okay, it works. Right price amount. What is calculate by the way? Where we call that it also? Should call that somewhere else, right? Somewhere else we should call that, or only this is GUI thing. Probably we need to do that on our server, inventory, infrastructure, data controller. By crate. Yes, we need to rework this function, this method. Okay, let's rework that. Data survive config price. What is this item here? Int item. Probably in item we have everything. Okay, this is just a name. Okay, fair. So if so, yeah, we need to do that.
Perfect.
Final cost. Yeah, we need to call calculator here. Modules. Local. How to call that? Utils. Create price calculator. Local create price calculator require utils create price calculator. Create price calculator. We need to go here, calculate by. What we need? Create amount. Config, I think. Config amount and data. What we return here? Price amount. Yeah, price amount. Maybe like so. Okay, buy more. Let's wipe data. Let's start again. Where's my crates? Buy my crates. Okay, wait. Crates. We need to go to recover our server remotes. Yeah, test by like this one. Because I removed that. Create price calculator. Oh wait, what the hell? Crates. Wait, crates viewer. What to send? here. Here, yeah. Config, we don't need a config. Item, just item, amount data maybe. Let's do. But work rate. Inventory, survival rates. Nothing, okay. Maybe we need to update. So no. Balance month price, okay. Print item. Wanna see what is item? Wait, boots. Survivors or what? Why I have these guys? So buy. And where we go? Data controller item. So item type. Maybe item type. There's a problem with item type. Oh, wait. Print by. Nil. Okay, yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. To decrease our currency. What's the problem with that? Final balance data currency plus amount. Final balance less than 0. Oh wait, yeah, return true if alright. Nice. Yeah, forget to return that. Okay, that's cool. Let's swipe data again and let's see. Okay. So let's see what we need to calculate at. Data controller. Price amount by. Okay. So let's go here. If amount less less or equals to 0. Then return end. Wherein no, not enough money. Return end, like this. Like this. But if it's all right, let's play Roblox a little bit. And what's here, bro? Amount. Price amount. What amount? Amount. String and number. Let's try to compare. Did you ask me what game I played through Roblox? Yeah, bro. Yeah. I'm about this. Amount. I didn't quite understood what she said in the end. Played Survive the Killer. Oh, I got it. By the way, I haven't played this game. Like I played Murder Mystery only. How's the grind game going? Great, bro, great, welcome. Okay. So let's try to buy one more. We can't. Okay, guys, okay. My brain today is not working, to be honest, and I think for today we can finish, because sometimes, guys, really, if you're not if the work is not going great, better to have a rest. This is my point. It's basically forsaken, but no ability, just pure collecting trash to get money. I never played Forsaken, bro, and Survive the Killer. I played Murder Mystery only, but I think I've got what you're talking about. So, guys, for today that's all, and we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow definitely will be better. And thank you all who watched. Thank you all who was here, guys, and see you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.